Yo, go on. We're there. Yeah. Protoje featuring Masicka, Ting Loud, official music with them. I'm jumping on and so I let's go. Ethiopia. Adama, Ethiopia.
You can't let nothing get in your way. There'll always be someone with something to say. And more times than often, they don't know your pain. And still you're surviving, live life and give praise. You know, say the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes and...
Sorry, I just got caught up in the moment there. I'm just looking at Ethiopia, how similar it is to Jamaica. And that's why yeah, make it go again. Adama, Ethiopia. Protoje, forward, make it hear you second. Alright, Simon, big up.
No, you can't let nothing get in your way.
Never that.
There'll always be someone with something to say.
Yeah, man, you can't make them get in here. There's always gonna be somebody that gonna say something. Always.
There'll always be someone with something to say. And more times than often, they don't know your pain.
Yeah, man, them say up, but them don't know your pain. But them are gonna put in them input. Them are gonna put them input in your business. When film a spoil too, you know. Film a spoil.
More times than often, they don't know your pain. And still you're surviving, live life and give praise. You know, say the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes and now we are on the road. But she doesn't load, now we puffing up clothes. You know, see the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes and now we are on the road. But she doesn't load, now we puffing up clothes.
Masicka.
So when the fruit them ripe up, suit them nice hot, youth them righteous, tune them voice up, move them price up, cruise them nice truck, buy them acres, who no like walk.
Again! Oh, God! Forward again, my G. All right. This is our nice box to it.
Now you can't let nothing get in your way. There'll always be someone with something to say. And more times than often, they don't know your pain. And still you're surviving, live life and give praise. You know, say the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes and now we are on the road. But she doesn't load, now we puffing up clothes.
You know, see the Ting Loud, and now we are on road.
Anything goes and now we are on the road. But she down is a different mode. Anything goes and now.
I'm just checking out Ethiopia, bro. Like, yeah, bro. Look at this.
We are on the road. But she doesn't load, now we puffing up clothes.
What a blessing when the fruit them ripe up, suit them nice hot, youth them righteous, tune them voice up.
What a blessing when they suit them, when the fruits them ripe up, the suit at the right cut, the youth, yeah, a blessing.
Put them ripe up, suit them nice hot, youth them righteous, tune them voice up, move them price up, cruise them nice truck, buy them acres, who no like walk.
So basically, I tell you, it's a blessing when everybody a win. When the youth them a win, especially the youth them from the less deprived area, yes, when them youth they a win, I get the youth them a win.
Them price up, cruise them nice truck, buy them acres, who no like walk, fool them eye red, chew them livestock, through the valley of death, youth me eyes up. Yeah.
Fool them eyes red, chew them life suck. So the time when it sit down, I put it in the 2 cents in a people business. When I get broke, I'm broke already. 24 hours you get an idea. Go make use of your own, brother. Go make use of your own top watch people business. That's a go on.
My red, chew them livestock, chew the valley of the youth, me eyes up. Yeah, me water gone, yeah, me light cut. Yeah, me remember every door when me find shot. No less it just a flow from my cup. And them price, them eyes up. Every day my grateful, plate full of nice stuff.
You know, see the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes, and now we are on the road. Watch it us load, now we puffing up cloud. You know, see the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes, and now we are on the road. Watch it us load, now we puffing up cloud. Come on, used to dream about nights like these. When song drop and connect Siamese. Road get step on the dread cry cree. Up close. Come on, used to dream about nights like these. When song drop and connect Siamese.
When song drop and connect Siamese twin together. When you get it? Alright.
Used to dream about nights like these. When song drop and connect Siamese. Road get step on the dread cry cree. Treat update and collect 5G. That a market set new address swipe free. Progress make don't take it lightly. You be proud of yourself, know you're blessed highly. Shine brightly, now go sit idly. You no get this swing. You know see the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes and now we are on the road. Watch it us load, now we puffing up cloud. You know see the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes and now we are on the road. Watch it us load, now we puffing up cloud.
Bad. Like the video. Big up all of the Ethiopian brothers them. All of the African brothers them, big up on yourself.
Road is a different mode. Anything goes and now we are on the road. Coach it us load, now we pumping up cloud. You know see the Ting Loud is a different mode. Anything goes and now we are on the road. Coach it us load, now we pumping up cloud.
Bad. Protoje, big up yourself. Masicka, big up yourself as well. Great song. I like it. It have a vibe. And if you see the G dip on the ground at Ethiopia, I know the Ethiopian people embrace Jamaicans. I work with a lot of them and them embrace them. Always want me to talk Jamaicans for them. So yeah, big up me Ethiopian brothers them again. Yes, big up on yourself, when you know yourself. Yeah, that song is nice. Masicka, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Protoje, big up. Yeah? Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comment section though, and I'll catch you guys down there. Alright? Pew!